gonna slap. I mean, yup. You read the title, correcto. You are smart and beautiful, very beautiful. Yeah, you king. Talking about no women, you king. I'm gonna go fight one of these. I always get asked, bro, Zosh, why don't you go turbo? Turbo the RSX.
Turbo the DC2.
Turbo your life. Turbo your tax return. Turbo tax. I would love to go turbo, but it's not my time. You know what I mean? My Lord and Savior, Future Hendrix, told me it's not the time to go turbo, but I must give turbo to one of y'all. Yes, me. Giving you a turbo. Me and the homies over at Max Peeding Rods are gonna give you guys one of these turbos. God damn, this is heavy. Let's do a quick little unboxing of our new turbo that one of you guys are going to be fortunate enough to win for free. You know what I mean? We look, bro. I try my best. Here we go, turbo. Ooh, look how big this thing is. God.
Lava.
This thing is massive.
Lava.
Pause. Bro, look at this. Bro, look at the size of this thing. Journal bearing. Ooh, journal bearing turbo, bro. Oh man, this is sweet. Yup, one of you guys is about to win a turbo, and all you have to do, the directions are super easy and simple. All you have to do is go to my Instagram, follow me on the gram. You have to follow me, only so I can get my clout tokens up so I can look cool to women. Duh, why else would I need y'all to follow me? Stupid. Follow Max Peeding Rods. I will have a giveaway picture uploaded. All you have to do is comment something, tag a friend, I don't know, comment anything. Why you want a turbo? Why you like my video? I don't know, comment anything. I'm just gonna choose a random comment in about 7 days. That should be fine, a week time. So people who watch this video will have time to go act and, you know. So next Tuesday, I will be doing a live viewing giveaway thing on Instagram Live of the turbo. This giveaway is not possible without the support and help from Max Peeding Rods. Be sure to check them out. Check out the website. Link down below. They have a lot of parts over there. If you need some parts, go get it. Hey, yo, Max Peeding Rods. Thanks, boo. But what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we giving away a turbo. Yep, you just heard that in the intro of this video. But other than that, I have to raise, I don't have to do anything. I'm a king, I do what I please, all right? Let's get that straight, I am going to be lowering the rear end of the car. I can go down like probably half an inch or an inch lower. Bro, like, look, dude. I know when you have a race car, you gotta make sure it functions right, and they can't always look good, you know what I mean? But bro, I need my form to fit the function. But yeah, so I'm gonna lower the rear of the car and then go get an alignment because my wheel is off. Side note, I picked up some Crocs the other day, and dog, I see why y'all like them. Mad comfy, but only with socks, bro. Like, I ain't got the furry inside and stuff, but you gotta have socks, dog. If you ain't got no socks, that shit is not comfy. And y'all know I had to get the camo, John. You feel me? I can't let niggas know my next move. You feel me? Disguise my thoughts. I feel like John Cena, bitch. Haters shake my hand, but I keep the sanitizer on deck. Hope I really get to see 30. Wanna settle down, stop being so flirty. Most of the clean faces be the most dirty.
Not about music. I'm trying to have a relationship with my kids, and I can't do it. I just don't want to believe it, too. You don't want to believe it.
At this point, we briefly pause the interview to give Kelly a moment.
Got the car all adjusted. Oh shit. Got the car all adjusted. Now I'm on my way to Randy's. Get this alignment. And I know you guys are also...
Bitch, you guessed it.
Yes.
You was right.
You're correct, bro. I'm always at the goddamn alignment shop. Yes. Don't worry about me, bro. Don't worry about me, bro. Don't worry about me. Hey, yo, boss man Biden, where my stimmy at, bro? Look at my gas tank, G. It's always on E, bro. Biden, with your boy, what's going on, man? I am still waiting on my aim dash from Evasive Motorsports. Who did I piss off at Evasive? Guys, if anyone from Evasive is watching this video, which I highly doubt, I love y'all. All I want is a shipping confirmation, bro. It's been 2 weeks. I love y'all, man. So, front is nice with the rear. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, she is gorgeous. So, waiting on Mr. Randy Built. And then get this bad girl aligned finally. Again, because my alignment is somehow out of whack. I think I had to do something. It had to do something, I guess, when I did the gearbox transmission stuff. So, yeah, I'm assuming I clapped something. So, yeah, we'll see. Yep. There go ass Rob. That bit look like Jared from Subway. You're so cool, bro. Hey, you cool as fuck. Da 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 da. It's Rob. Hey, Craig on the way. You might want to go home, bro. Yeah. He said he got to talk to you personally. Yeah. Yep. Good for him. You might have to wait till I'm on the clock. There. What, bro? In life, this is a quote, man. In life, you gotta always go from ashy to classy. You feel me? Like, it's life. I ain't never seen a windshield this ashy. That bitch needs some Jergens. Ashy like your knees. Look at them knees. Yeah, my knees clap. God, like I've been. Let me not get demonetized. Shut up, Dutch. Oh. You good, big dog? Hey, big dog, you good, big dog? Big dog. Hey, big dog. Hey, you good? Come this way. All right, big dog. Woo! Self-cambered myself.
And then rear, that bitch didn't even move. That Randall treatment.
Randall alignment, bruh.
Yeah, I know.
Randy, the best alignment tech in the universe.
Let him align, whoa.
What?
Don't make my shit, bitch.
So all you gotta do is just do toe on that side and I'm good. Cause my wheel was off a little bit. But look, bro, I did that at the house, bro. Like I eyeballed it. Perfection, bro. Perfection. So here is my specs for my tracks alignment specs, I guess you would call it. So this is before and this is after. So I run 2 degrees of camber, front and rear actually. -2 all the way around. My caster is -2.7. Toe obviously. Now I was talking to the home development dudes and they're like, you should run, I believe up to I think 1 degree of toe. I think that's what he said. I don't know. Don't quote me on that though. We are back at the whoa. Hold on, pimp. Yeah, I do look like Chris Brown in this light. But like I was saying, we're back at the crib and I know, man. Zosh, I still can't believe you're giving away a turbo that you can use on your car. I know. But if you haven't put 2 and 2 together, this will never be turbocharged. But supercharged, that's a different ball game that I would love to play for. You feel me? But this is the massive turbo. I don't know the specs on this turbo. I'm sorry. Oh, it's a 611 GT45. Whatever that means. I don't know nothing about turbos, dog. But that's what that is. And you have the opportunity to win this bad girl for absolutely free. All you have to do, like stated, if I didn't edit it out, or maybe I did, I'll have all the information to enter down below. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Everyone's doing this max speeding giveaway stuff. Yes, they're paying. They are paying us to do this. We getting paid, bro. Like, hey, man, shit. Somebody gotta keep it real with y'all. Let it be me. What I got to lose? Nothing, really. They probably never sponsor me again, but it is what it is. Like to keep it honest and real.
I wish my dad did with my mom so they could have been together. I would have had a happy, growing up childhood with both parents in the house. And, I could be like, oh, my dad said I'm grounded, but I never had the opportunity to say my dad said I'm grounded. Dad, I love you, and I miss you.
I probably should call my dad. Yeah, let me call my dad. But all in all, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I really only made this video to give away a turbo and collect payment for said giving away a turbo. So, yep, I hope you guys, I can't close out the video right here. You know what we got to do. Alright, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I really do, please enjoy this video. But on the rare occasion, that's not rare anymore because y'all niggas just be disliking my shit. I never understood the concept of watching a video to dislike it. If it's if you don't like the video, click off the video. Niggas are just weird, bruh. But if you did not like this video, it's okay. Leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. This candle smells amazing. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.